Hey guys, greeting to see if you're watching this. Let's analyze the chart together. Mm. Like last week, if you watch my previous video on the weekly analysis, I the whole market stuff. This last week was in a range. So let's look at the market this week and thank God we are in a new month and hopefully we are expecting that there will be new volume in the market. Then we may see a nice volatility to trade, but let's look at what is currently on ground. Okay, first, this is the daily time frame. Okay, so let's see. Though we are trading in this range from this high, from this low to this high. Okay, let me take out this one. Okay, this is on the daily time frame, and this is the range we are trading in. And when looking, you can observe that this is an uptrend, though we have a major pullback that may even lead to taking this sell-side liquidity, but we don't know what the market will do, so let us not predict what the market will do. But let's now scale down to the 4-hour chart and see. Okay guys, this is the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have a clear downtrend. Market is moving to the downside, but this is where we had our, let's say, almost the whole of last month. This range here, we were trading from here. This was the 4-hour higher low, and this was our 4-hour lower low. So now I think most of us were waiting for price to take out the low or give us a major retracement and come back to that low. But last month price was just in the ranging. There was no much price movement. Though it didn't happen as we expected, but let's see how this month will be. Let's see. So here, when price, this was the liquidity that price took when it broke when it created the last low. This was the liquidity it broke when it created the last low. Though for me, I was expecting price to come out and take out some liquidity here before it will come down to create another low, but it just keep on ranging. We had a price movement from here that showed that maybe price was trying to shift from there to go a bit high, but it didn't. It just continue ranging from this. So now what we are expecting this week, let us zoom down to see if we can find a good entry. But let's see. Now looking at this chart, man, this is a complete range. There's nothing here to say that. Okay, let's look. We're looking at this range. Man, I swear to God, this market is tough, man. This is a very tough market to look because this is a complete range. There's no price action here. There's nothing to say that okay, this is here. Man. Though, let's see. let's see, because here, let's see, we had something like a market structure shift around here. From here, we have something like a market structure shift here, something like this. Something like a market structure shift here. So I expected it to take out this liquidity, but it didn't. But it still in that range. So, but now this market structure shift around here, we have price respecting this other block. Okay, we still have price respecting this other block here. So based on this price action, maybe on we will still have some hope that price will take out the buy side liquidity. But let's see what when the market opens, then we will know what will happen. Let us not try to predict the market. So let's see first. Okay. For me, I don't. For me, I won't say that this is the direction this market is for this week, because let us just wait for this week price to play out before we take a trade. This is it that we'll be sure of. But hopefully, what I'm expecting this week, we're expecting some price action like this. Expecting some price action like this. We're expecting some price action like this, or expecting something. We're expecting something like this. As I said, this is a ranging market. That's all we don't want to say that this is where price is heading. There's no price action indicating that this is the direction price want to take. We are still in the range. We're waiting for price to break. When price break this range, we will know where the price is heading to. So for now, if you are taking a trade, you should be considering taking short trades, like a trade you won't hold for long, either let's say day trade, or you are scalping. But it's not something that you will hold a position for a longer time. You should be careful about the market. The market is not certain. We don't know, though no one knows what the market will do next. But this one is very dangerous for us to trade in. The market right now is something else, man. Look at this kind of range. You're just in a range here. Fucking range, huh? So this week, uh, let's say we don't have any trade on gold for the week. What we are expecting here is just capping on short trades, straight day trades, and scalping. Nothing like we are going to hold our swing trade on this one. We are just expecting day trades and scalping on this. So maybe if you're a member of my community, maybe during the week, if I see any signal, I drop that, but it won't be a signal for much. Something we can just take some money out of. That is it. So just click on the link on my bio. Let's see what we will do this week. But for now, gold market is in a range. Let's wait for it to break for us to ride the move on. Let's let's see if we can check other pairs too. For gold, that is it. We have no trade here. Okay, guys, this is the pound dollar. And like I said, if you are a member of my community, you will notice that we took this trade, and we took this trade last week, and this is what I'm expecting it to continue to take to go higher. So now I will advise you to look on this trade for a buy so that you may complete the movement of the, because price is definitely taking out the buy side liquidity. That is it for pound dollar. I can say that the market is bullish. This is a clear market price action that shows that the market is going bullish, and there's no doubt about it. We are going to take out that. I'm already on this trade, as you can see. I'm already on this trade here. I'm already on this trade, but you can still look for another entry to complete it to the upside. That's it. I have been holding this trade for last week, and this week I'm expecting the movement to complete. So we are bullish on pound dollar. So let me see. Let's go to the low, a more low. Let's go to a lower time frame and see if I can show you where you can get it on this trade. If we can. Okay, now this is the 1 hour. Okay, guys. Now this is the 1 hour. Let me take out this. Okay, this is the 1 hour. So now what I'm expecting you to watch out at, maybe during the week, price may do something like this. Let's say, okay, let's say this. Okay, guys. So during the week, maybe price may do something like this. It may come back to take down this CSI liquidity. So when price does, it will also come back to give a market structure shift, then continue up. But let me tell you the overall trend. For me, the market is bullish. I'm not going to take out my buy position. I'm going to hold till the movement completes. So now let me show you where you can get in. Let me show you where you can get in. Eventually, if you see something like this during the week, this is where you should enter your buy position. Here, your stop loss below. That's it. Let's see. This is it. So if I to see something like this during the week, I may be adding more position to the position I'm already holding. That's it. So for pound dollar, the market is bullish. We are expecting it to buy. So that's it. So which market should I look for again? Let's do one more market and see. Okay, this is EURUSD, and EURUSD is the same movement with the pound dollar. So it's just the same. You should be looking for more buy. So that is it for this week. Let's see how the new month will go, but this is it. This is it. There's nothing much. So but hopefully we are waiting for next week. After this week, after the NFP this week, we should be expecting crazy movement in the market. Then we will catch good movement and make good money. So that is it.